You'd never know it, but this is one of the Land Rovers that has proved its worth by conquering conditions calculated to cause car catastrophes. Two new innovations, however, left us wondering whether any obstacle is sufficient to repel one of these dauntless vehicles. Just watch it now, its wheels simply replaced by caterpillar tracks for really rough country. You might think there's nothing unusual in seeing a Land Rover on the road, but take a closer look at this one. Notice the extra set of wheels. They're the basis of the second new idea, the road railer. Impenetrable country inspired this further addition to the vehicle's collection of spare parts. Where roads are non-existent and the railway is the only means of communication, you might think a car is useless. But you'd be reckoning without the bright chap who took stock of the situation and made it rolling stock. By sticking some bogie wheels on, hydraulically operated so they can be raised or lowered for convenience, he made a diesel engine capable of pulling up to 50 tons. Foreign as well as British railway executives are interested in the road railer, and versions of it could revolutionize transport. Don't, however, forestall that revolution by removing cars' tires for a spin up the local track to work. If we all did it, we'd have yet another traffic problem. We might even see stations cluttered up with parking meters.